how to contact GoDaddy support. Now, if you want to contact GoDaddy support, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all open your browser. Then what you want to do from here is you can simply go to godaddy.com/products, or here you can say godaddy. Now if you come to their website, you won't find the support link, but you can also open up your browser and just search for GoDaddy support on your browser. You'll find the first link from GoDaddy Help Center that says contact us, so you can simply click on that link. Now just to make sure you're on their own website, which is godaddy.com, right? Because sometimes it could lead you to a spam website, so make sure you're on the official website. Now here there are many ways to contact them. Now you can also actually just chat for a quick help, but currently this is not available for me. If it's available for you, you can chat with them, or you can just contact their support team right over here, or you can also have their global directory phone number and hours as well. This way you'll easily be able to contact GoDaddy support. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.